Is the Chapin 8622B spreader worth your money? Find out now. Tired of uneven fertilizer application? We're diving deep into the Chapin 8622B tow-behind spreader to see if it lives up to the hype for farmers, landscapers, and groundskeepers. The Chapin 8622B is a 2.2 cubic feet tow-behind spreader designed for use with ATVs, UTVs, and tractors. It features an auto-stop dual impeller system aiming to prevent waste and ensure even distribution of materials. This spreader is marketed towards those managing larger properties, such as farms and large lawns. It's designed to handle tough terrain and provide consistent results. One of the standout features is the auto-stop dual impeller. This stops spreading when the vehicle stops, reducing material waste. The 2.2 cubic feet hopper can hold up to 150 pounds of material. It's constructed from rust-resistant poly with a powder-coated steel frame for durability. The spreader also boasts 11 incremental gate adjustments. This allows for precise control over the application rate of various materials. Equipped with 14-inch pneumatic tires, the Chapin 8622B is designed to handle uneven farmland and acreage. The tires help prevent tipping and ensure stability during operation. However, it's important to note that this spreader is not recommended for use with rock salt, sand, or lime products. Always check the manual for compatible materials. Customer reviews are mixed. Some users praise the build quality and the effectiveness of the auto-stop feature. One reviewer on Amazon calls it a top-quality product, highlighting its heavy-duty construction. However, other users have reported issues with the assembly process and overall build quality. One reviewer on Amazon describes it as highly flawed and overpriced, citing issues with the materials and design. The Chapin 8622B is priced at $349.99. You can find it on Amazon. Considering the mixed reviews, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons before making a purchase. The auto-stop feature and large capacity are definite advantages, but potential quality control issues should be considered. The Chapin 8622B offers some compelling features for managing large properties. However, the inconsistent customer experiences suggest a potential risk. Before you invest, head over to the product page on Amazon to read the latest reviews and check the current price. Make an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to research alternative spreaders to ensure you're getting the best value for your money.